As a contact center supervisor, are you wondering how your agents are performing each day, each week, or each month? Do you want to know how long the call duration is, or the average wrap-up time of an agent? With the Agent Interactions reports in 8x8 Analytics for Contact Center, supervisors are able to obtain historical data from the contact center and know how their agents are performing. Understanding the agent's interactions and call traffics allows you to identify any major changes within the contact center and therefore make insightful business decisions for your company. In this video, we'll learn how to create a custom report using one of the Agent Interactions report templates. To get to the Agent Interaction report templates, click on the Agent Interactions drop-down from the navigation menu. There are 4 different templates available for Agent Interactions: the Summary Report, the Call Summary Report, the Handling and Wrap-Up Report, and the Buy Wrap-Up Code Report. The Summary Report shows all types of interactions that the agents received and which channel they were through. The Call Summary Report focuses solely on call interactions received and provides detail on whether calls were inbound, outbound, internal, external, put on hold, or transferred. The Handling and Wrap-Up Report shows how long an agent spent on handling the interaction, as well as how long they spent on wrapping up after the interactions. The Buy Wrap-Up Code Reports displays the wrap code or transaction code that were selected by the agents after they completed an interaction. Now, let's create a custom report using the Agent Interactions Summary Report templates. From the Agent Interactions drop-down, click on Summary. Then, click on Customize. Rename your report, such as Sales Group Inbound Call Report. Here, you're able to filter the report within a specific date range by clicking on the date range picker here. Select your desired date range on the calendar or from one of the preset ranges. The granularity segments the data. For example, if a report shows data for the last month and granularity is set to week, data is grouped by each week in the selected month. It allows you to examine the data in small chunks and therefore helps make specific adjustments for that period to improve sales and performance. Once you have selected the desired date range and granularity, click OK. Don't forget to select the correct time zone if you're monitoring a contact center in a different time zone. You can customize the report layout under Report Configuration. Under the Include drop-down, you can decide on how the data will be grouped. In this example, we'll group the data by Group and Agent, then by Media. You can select what kind of metrics will be displayed on the report by checking or unchecking the options in the Metrics drop-down. To rearrange the order of the metrics, simply click on the Order Metrics icon here. The Filter section allows you to add filters to the report. This allows supervisors to filter out noise and only focus on the data that you need to monitor. For example, if you wish to track down the inbound calls of the sales group, you can filter the report by sales group under the Groups drop-down and by inbound phone under the Media drop-down. If you toggle on the Show Grand Total button here, you'll see a total bar at the bottom of the report. This shows the total of the metrics on each column for the total time period selected. The Show Subtotal button here allows you to see the breakdown of the data by date, and then by the selection made in the Include drop-down when customizing the report. If you wish to include charts in your report, simply toggle to the Show Charts button here. To customize the chart, click on Configure here. You can add or remove metrics by checking or unchecking the options here. You can also change the type of chart by clicking on the drop-down here and selecting a different type of chart. Once you're done configuring the chart, click Done. Click on the Preview button to check if the report is displaying the desired data. Once you're satisfied with the report, click the Save button here and a new custom report will be created. To edit the report, click the Edit button here. You'll also have the option to share the report by clicking the Share button or download the report in various formats by clicking the Download button here.